If anybody here is hungry still, we're selling hot dogs at the food stand for $1 a piece. And chicken sandwiches for $2. So if you want to get your grind on, there's some great hot dog action and chicken sandwich action. $1 and $2 respectively. Oh yeah. I'll go find it for you, Joe. Heard about middleweights?
There you go. Get it.
Let's go, Drew.
Nice game, safe. Up.
Gary, feel the hump, Gary. Push the knee out. Push the knee out. 4 minutes, Gary. 0-0.
Drew, 4 minutes.
Get that elbow up. Get it up.
The winners of the Masters Yogi Expert Cruiser Division are third place Brad Sickers. In second place, Sample MC. And the first place, Drew Fuso.
Put your knee inside, Gary. There you go. Shake on. Head up. Shake on with that. There you go. Don't let the front de la hito feel hook from in. Drag. Watch the triangle.
Hey, why don't you relax, all right?
Drew, breathe. Stay calm and breathe. Good. Keep on messing with that bicep, Drew. Keep on messing with that bicep.
Nice. Go, Gary. Go.
Nathan Hoffman, please come to ring 12. Andrew Warlock, please come to ring 12. You guys have got 1 minute. The first one here is going to have third place.
Drew, 2.5 minutes left. Stay calm. Breathe. Don't let him stack you up. No.
Go. Let's get an advantage here, Gary. Let's get an advantage. Walk the crucifix right there. Step through.
Drew, watch the crucifix.
Drop the right
Drew.
knee. Drop the right knee.
Hey folks, we just want to say thank you very much.
Head up, big forward.
We look forward to seeing you all on one of our future events.
Drag.
Drew, rock his base. There you go. Good. Good. Keep that foot in the bicep, Drew. Keep on bugging him with that foot. Start to off balance him, Drew.
Gary, push that right arm through.
There we go.
Drew, you got 1.5 minutes left. There you go.
Now, Gary, now, Gary.
Good. Drew, breathe. Stay calm.
Going backwards and forwards now.
Drew, off balance him. Off balance, Drew.
Go. Hold the leg through.
And then left, Gary. And then
Grab
left,
the belt with the right hand. Grab the belt with the right hand. Grab the belt. Right there. Grab the belt with the right hand.
Drew, don't let that arm through. Don't let that arm through.
We also...
Gary, 1 minute, 0-0. There you go, Gary.
Drew, 1 minute. Stay calm.
Keep all grinders.
Let's get in the finish, Gary.
Keep all grinders.
Drew, you got to start to off balance, okay?
35 seconds. to go. We need to score an advantage.
Go, 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 go.
Get it, get it, get it.
Get it there, get it there.
Sweep, so come on.
Swim it in, swim your foot back in.
30 seconds, Gary. 0-0.
Drew, the arm, the arm.
I've seen this before. Now it's
Gary, I'm feeling it. Put your shoes. 20 seconds, Gary. 20 seconds.
Drew, 20 seconds. Sweep him, sweep him, sweep him. There you go. Good, good, good. Attack the omoplata, Drew.
10 seconds, Gary. Let's go, Drew. Let's go. Put it there. 7 seconds. Come on. 5.
Push it through. Drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. Just right there, right there.